Hey everyone, so here in 1 Peter 4:17, when we read in the King James, "For the time is come," well, the Greek word here is mistranslated time. Here the noun kairos, poorly translated time, does not define time. No, the Greek word chronos defines time, where they have translated it time 33 times here. But then they also translated it season, while, a while, space, oftentimes, etc., etc. But there is no reason to translate chronos anything but time or times, where again, kairos does not define time or times, which they've poorly translated here. So what is kairos? Well, simply stated, it's a term, a limited time encompassing term limits. So this is very different than time, because it identifies a specific happening within a specific term limit. So it's since there is a term of the origin beginning of the judgment, not for the time has come that judgment must begin. This is misleading, and it's not communicating the Word of God accurately. This is why we have to get a better Bible translation like the Devar Bible translation. Where, while I'm at it, let me also point out that the term is the same as 1 Corinthians 4:5, when Paul said, "So then judge nothing, not one, before the term, till as it when the Lord comes." So we see the relationship of a term, kairos, to the coming of the Lord, which is the origin beginning term of the judgment here. Where again, if you consult 1 Corinthians 4:5 in the King James, they made the same error, translating kairos as time, when it's a term. Where in fact, in many of the occurrences of kairos, term or terms, concerning when the Lord comes, points to the watch times, which each watch time of the night is a term. So when the Lord of the house comes, eventide would be the origin beginning term that's being referenced. Mark 13:35, which has disappeared in Luke 12:38. And nobody is ever going to connect dots to terms, term limits, kairos, when they have mistranslated it time, which does not give us the distinguishing factor of the word, which is different from chronos, which the Devar translation distinguishes. Or even in fact in 1 Thessalonians 5:1, we find chronos here, G5550, and kairos, G2540, in the same verse. So they're different. They're different words. They're not even remotely in the same Greek word family. They have to be distinguished and translated accurately, as the Devar translation has done. Where if precision is important to you in Bible translations, I suggest looking into the Devar translation, which it's not for sale because it's free, and you're not going to find it. Search in Google. It's not commercially sold. It's not commercially advertised. And it's only shared through word of mouth, basically. So let me know if you're interested, and drop me a comment, and I will put a link with a passcode to where the files can be downloaded from High Drive, which is a file share site. And the Devar Work software is available for Macintosh, PC, and Android.